Hey guys, today we're going to do the first time setup of Samsung Galaxy A06. If you are using Samsung Galaxy A06 and now you want to make a first time setup of your device, so let's see how can I do this. First of all, you will get the welcome screen just like this, and you just have to select your device language which you want. Here's a lot of the languages, you can easily select one of them which you want, and I am selected this one. Just select, then select OK from here, and then just tap on start to start your setup. First of all, you'll get the start screen which is for your review. You just have to agree to them all. Just select agree to all, basically this, and user license agreement and the privacy policy and sending of diagnostic data. It's optional, you can easily remove it if you want, but I'm going to select agree to all from here. Then select agree in the bottom right corner, and after that here's the easy setup with another device. If you're using any device, it might be any Samsung, Android, or any iPhone, you can easily use that to make an easy setup. Here's the QR codes for that. Here's the Galaxy or Android device. Just select it and scan the QR code. Here's the iPhone or iPad, you can easily select this one, but I'm going to select setup manually from here to set up everything manually. First of all, you have to choose the Wi-Fi network. Just select the Wi-Fi and then enter the password to connect with that Wi-Fi network. Just enter password here, then select connect to connect with your internet. After connecting to the Wi-Fi, just select the next in the bottom right corner. And here's the next screen which is getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes, so you just have to wait for it until it's loading. And after that, you just have to select through this option. If you want to copy your apps and data from another phone, you can easily choose it to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and much more. You can easily select that if you want, but I'm going to select don't copy from here. And here's the checking info screen. You just have to wait for it, and after that you just have to sign into your Google account. So let's see, just wait for it until it's loading, and at the Google sign in screen you must have to log into your Google account if you have, but if you won't have an account, just select create account to create one for you, but I'm going to skip. Just select skip from here, and here just select if you want to protect your phone with your face recognition, fingerprint, pattern, pin, or password if you want, but I'm going to skip and set up letter in settings. Just select skip from here, then select skip anyway, and it's just Google services. You must have to accept them. Just select accept in the bottom right corner, and here you will get this screen again. Is getting your phone ready. Just wait for it, and here's the Samsung account. If you have any Samsung account, you can easily log in here just via your email, phone number, or any QR code if you want. If you have forgotten your account password, you can easily recover from here. Just select this one, and here if you can easily correct to create new account. If you forgotten ID, you can easily recover that, and it's forgot password. You can easily recover your account password, but I'm going to skip and set up letter in settings. And here just select the skip, and here you must have to select all from here. Basically these are some terms and condition of your Samsung phone. You might have to accept them. Just select all from here and then select agree in the bottom right corner, and here's some Samsung services you might have to accept. Just select agree in the bottom right corner. Then you just have to select your display mode which you want is light and dark. You can easily select, I'm going to select light from here, then select next, and here you just have to wait for its loading. So that's all, you have all set up. You just have to select home to go to your home screen. So that's how you can easily make a first time setup of Samsung Galaxy A06. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.